happening. 49 versus 37 in Haryana. It's all happening. All eyes on Haryana. Siddharth, do you have anything coming?
So I was just looking at some of the cluster data, Navika, in Haryana, and the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Congress are neck and neck when it comes to about 30 odd Jat-dominated seats. So the Bharatiya Janata Party is leading in 15 out of those. The Congress is leading in 14. When it comes to the rural cluster, the Congress is doing significantly better than the BJP, leading in 29 out of 54 seats. In the scheduled caste seats, where the Congress has traditionally had an advantage, the BJP and the Congress are once again neck and neck. So the BJP is punching above its weight here. And it's in the urban seats that the BJP has a decisive advantage. Out of the 31 odd seats in the urban cluster, the BJP is leading in 20, the Congress in 11. And that's the reason why the BJP has a runaway advantage, at least at this juncture. We'll wait for the results to stabilize.
Well, I want to ask you, Vinesh Phogat, can you tell me?
She's leading.
She's leading.
Yes, she's leading.
Okay.
What is the lead?
I'll just check the exact number.
What is Sonipat lead? Sonipat.
I'll just give me a minute. I'm just checking.
He'll have to go and look at it. But
Yeah.
these numbers and Guru Prakash, I want to ask you. Okay, we will. Guru Prakash has moved from here. We are expecting Shazia Ilmi to join us in just a bit. But Prateek Som with us, spokesperson of the JJP. Also joining me this morning is Reena Gupta of the Aam Aadmi Party. Is she Prateek Som? BJP leading on 48, Congress on 38. Situation has changed tremendously. आप कह रहे थे कि बीजेपी के साथ जो जाएगा वो विष खाएगा. अब बीजेपी तो जाग गई. It's work for the BJP looks like at this moment. What would you say now? 1 minute. No cross talk.
Navika, these numbers is surprising me as well. I believe silent vote has gone to BJP, but I still stand by my statement that the biggest harm which has happened to JJP is because of BJP. They may have increased their vote share, but probably that has come from our side because our people, our bastions, people were not happy that we supported BJP. Well, we wish them luck, but this number still surprises me. We'll have to wait for an hour or so to see the real picture because none of the exit poll, even you predicted one, were not showing these numbers.
No, we didn't do exit polls. We learnt our lessons in the Lok Sabha poll. Times Now did not do any exit polls. This time we learnt our lessons and we did not do any exit polls. But Shazia Ilmi joining me this morning. And Shazia Ilmi, what is this magical turnaround if it stays on in Haryana? Do you think the BJP is going to have the last laugh?
Well, there is something like a turnaround happening, but we respect the mandate. We always have respected the verdict of the people. So either way, we will not mock either the EVMs, and whatever the people decide is what they decide. Yes, I think BJP is picking up, numbers are getting better, and I think they will get even much more promising for the BJP. And I think Haryana is disappointing, but it is on expected lines. Yes, Khattarji has been there for 10 years. If you remember, the highest ever somebody has been there, longest period, has been Mr. Huda. So it is 10 years of also anti-incumbency, and yes, voters have felt.
So what are you conceding defeat? Shazia Ilmi, are you conceding defeat, or are you saying that you are happy about the numbers? With these numbers, I would have expected you to dance.
I'm very happy about the numbers. No, I'm very happy about the numbers, and we're only going to get better.
Okay, cutting across to Kumari Shelja, who's speaking to our reporter. Let's listen in.
कांग्रेस है और वो आएगा. ये राउंड्स चलते हैं, ये सब जानते हैं काउंटिंग कैसे चलती है. अभी आप देखेंगे जैसे जैसे डेवलप होगा. थोड़ी देर पहले कुछ और नजर आ रहा था, अभी कुछ और है. थोड़ा और इंतजार. कांग्रेस पार्टी की सरकार प्रचंड बहुमत से बनेगी। मैंने आपको कहा था 60 प्लस केवल हम क्या
लग रहा है आपको, क्योंकि ये तो रुझान है, बस नतीजे आपके फेवर में रहेंगे।
बिल्कुल रहेंगे, आप देखिए, थोड़ा इंतजार करिए।
मुख्यमंत्री को भी लेकर लगातार सवाल उठ रहे हैं कि कौन मुख्यमंत्री, क्या मुख्यमंत्री और उप मुख्यमंत्री का भी फॉर्मूला बनेगा? क्या शैलजा इसके लिए तैयार है?
दिस इज हार्डली द पॉइंट। अभी इस तरह की बात कुछ है नहीं। जो मुख्यमंत्री की बात है वो पहले भी हमने रख दी है और ये मुद्दा चल रहा है कई दिन से, अभी चलेगा जब तक फैसला नहीं होता। बिल्कुल प्रेमे है, कैसे नहीं।
दलित वोट बैंक कांग्रेस के साथ,
केवल दलित नहीं, सभी लोगों का वोट है और दलित तो मेजरली कांग्रेस के साथ आया।
चलिए तो
Well, that was Kumari Shailaja. Did I see a smile on her face? And let me be the conspiracy theory wala, which journalists are licensed to be.
Smiling.
She's smiling, and results not too good for Huda. Is she going to be smug about this?
Navika, as a Congress supporter and a Congress voter, if these results hold, I think we forget a deep introspection. There are 3 or 4 things the Congress has to understand. What do you gain by sidelining loyalists versus getting people in last minute who have abused Mrs. Gandhi, and that's not the thing. Number 1. Number 2, how long will the same people be in charge who've destroyed a party, say in a Delhi or Punjab or etc., and then they play these masters? So I think these are questions that need to be asked by the Congress. This was not an election the Congress should have lost. Haryana, if it's even tough, and even if formed the government tough, I think what we were looking at, what we were looking at was a sweep. I mean, a 60 plus is what I was. If you're looking at that, and from there, even if it's a tough fight, I think we need to stop and pause and wonder what is going wrong. Why the people?
So it's not the narrative of Rahul Gandhi all the way. Anand.
I think Rahul ji tried his best. Sorry, just one line. I think Rahul ji tried his best, but I just think at the local level, if you're not united, the organization
missing the woods for the trees. I'll tell you why. When Yogi won the second time round, people said it's the failure of Akhilesh. No, it was the success of Yogi. So right now, all those people who were saying Haryana is deeply misogynistic, there has been no development, the story is there. The story is not the failure of Congress. The story is the success of BJP. Let's talk about that.
Which BJP, Khattar or Saini?
Anyone.
Saini sir mentioned Khattar.
The point.
Prime Minister mentioned Khattar.
Yes, but the point is, do you agree?
No, I think Haryana is a disaster infrastructure-wise.
And still they lost.
And still the Congress is losing.
One minute. Let's get a reality check. Whoever thinks that the BJP was a divided house, is it true?
No, it was
the
very
BJP
divided.
was not a divided house. The Congress was a divided house, even though they thought that it's going to be a sweep for them, because everything pointed towards an anti-incumbency for them, for the BJP. So the Congress was a divided house, and they thought despite being a divided house, they're going to be winning. And if they do that, it will be because of that despite that they're winning. So the BJP, what I'm trying to say is that the BJP, being a united house, worked absolutely single-handedly. So if these numbers hold, even if they don't form a government, they have proved a point that united they stand.
There was another divided house in Haryana, and that was the Jat vote. Jat vote
That's
got
the point.
splintered across Huddas
That's
and
the point.
Chautalas and independents.
Bhupinder Singh Huda being the king of Jat votes, will that myth be busted if these numbers hold? And again, Congress comes down some more, 36 versus 49, and